Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Anyway, I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. Today is another Ulta haul. This is actually my mom's 2,000 point Ulta haul. So my last Ulta haul, I kind of talked about the best way to use your points, and this is another example of that. This was $15 worth of stuff. That's how much she paid, so $15.90 with tax, I think. And I'm really excited about it. I am missing one thing. I did order a perfume, so I got a throw with it. And my mom, that was the one thing that she wanted, so she actually has the throw, and I don't have it with me. So imagine a beautiful throw as well. We're going to start with the perfume that I got as part of this. This is Jimmy Choo, I Want Choo, which I think is just a really cute pun. I love puns. And then this is what it looks like. I just got the 1 ounce because I have so many perfumes that I don't really need to get a bigger bottle anymore. It did have this on it so that it keeps it from spraying, which is pretty good. And we're going to spray it. I don't have any perfume on yet today. Oh, that smells really nice. This is kind of, I'm going to say a generic scent, and that's going to, I don't really mean that it's generic. I just mean it's a beautiful, like sweet, fruity floral type of scent. I think this is a very universally appealing. I don't think this is going to be upsetting to anyone. It's not going to choke anybody out. It just smells very light and fresh and just yummy. It smells yummy. So that was the first thing that I got. If I remember, I'll try to put notes down here. I usually don't remember, but we'll see. Maybe I will actually remember this time. All right. The other main thing that I got is the Hello Kitty Colourpop collection. And the reason my mom put in this order is because she knew how much I had wanted this collection and how devastated I was that I could not get it on Colourpop's website. I was there the second it launched, actually before it launched, refreshing, and I was trying to check out and everything was gone. It just took so long, and I know bots have been so terrible this year, and everything that people have been anticipating, they've been swooping in and then putting them up other places. So it's not even just the makeup community wanting all this stuff. It's, you know, people outside the community too. Anyway, Hello Kitty has been something I've just loved my entire life. My parents actually got married in Japan. My dad was in the Navy, and they were there when Hello Kitty first was released. So I've had Hello Kitty as part of my life. Like, I was not born in Japan. That would be awesome. I was born here in the United States. But like my mom thought they were cute. So she bought Sanrio and Hello Kitty. And so it's just something I've always had. Anyway, I got the whole collection. I have a couple things, the 2 things that I got from the Colourpop release, which I'll show you at some later date. But I'm happy to have duplicates. So I did get the entire collection. I'm not going to swatch everything. I'm going to show you everything. But some of these I'm not going to probably use. It's going to be more like a display thing, and I don't want to swatch them and open them otherwise. So the first thing is, this is the Snow Cute Midi Glitterally Obsessed Kit. You have 4 glitter pots in here, and these are things that I'm not going to swatch because I don't do glitter. I have reactions to glitter. Like, this is what teenage me would have loved, and what teenage me had terrible reactions to, because there's something in the binding agent of a lot of these type of glitters. So I might open them and let you see. So we have this one, which is Cozy Glow. It's a beautiful orangey shade. Then we have this one. Man, they're hard to open, which is Skate Date. They're very pretty. Twinkle Me. And I am obsessed with Hello Kitty. Colourpop is how I discovered Hello Kitty was how I discovered Colourpop. That their first collaboration is what I first found Colourpop with. So this one is Ice Sparkle. And I, shopped Colourpop since then, but I love Hello Kitty. I was really excited. I have all the OPI nail polishes that they did with Hello Kitty. It's just, I love Hello Kitty. Always have, always will. So that was the Glitterally Obsessed kit. Next up is the big surprise Luxe Gloss Trio. You have Icicle Pop, So Chilly, and Big Bow. I don't use a lot of lip glosses. These are ones that I did get a second set of, so I will be swatching these so you can see. And actually, I'm not going to show you my other Hello Kitty set. I'll just tell you what I got, and then you'll know that I have duplicates of some of these. They're very light. I don't know if I've tried a Colourpop lip gloss, at least not the Luxe ones. I know I had some of them back in the day, but that's what they look like. They're very sheer. I don't even know if you're going to be able to tell a difference in color with those. Yeah, you could barely see a difference in color. They all look pretty similar to me. Then next up is the Snow Kissed Lip Care Kit. You have Peppermint Cookie Lippy Scrub and Peppermint Cookie Lip Mask. I am hoping that these will work for me. Sometimes peppermint I have problems with, but if it's an artificial peppermint, it's different than like a peppermint essential oil. So this is the scrub. I'm not going to swatch these because this would be weird to swatch. Yeah, I think that this should be fine. It smells more like an artificial. It doesn't really smell like a true peppermint. So there's that one. And then the lip mask. I found out this is just like a lip balm you wear at night. It's really weird that they call it a lip mask and there's no absolute instructions on the boxes. I had the same problem with the Mulan. They are very gooey. They're not like a thick emollient kind of. They're very goopy, and I feel like this is definitely something that you want to have a spatula with, which I luckily do. So I'm excited to grab out that spatula and try those. All right, next up is the blushes. I do have two of one of them because the other one at Frost site, was the one other thing that I was able to get on the website, and so I have a backup now. I will have one to play with and one to use. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So this is what it looks like. It does have Hello Kitty imprinted on it. Hopefully you can see. There you go. You can see Hello Kitty there. And the color looks really pretty. This is a little bit darker than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a more light shade, but oh my gosh, you're not even going to see that. We're going to have to go in a little darker over her face. So that's what the blush looks like. Pretty darn light, but it's a pretty color. I don't know. This isn't like my favorite shade of pink. This isn't my favorite shade of pink. I usually like something a little bit more subtle or a little bit more peachy, but I'll be interested to see what it looks like on the skin. And then I have two of Bundled Up because this is the blush that I really wanted and I couldn't find it on the website. I tried for the full collection first and then I went back and tried to get whatever pieces I could, and most of it was sold out, which was very disappointing. So once again, it has Hello Kitty on there. And then let's give this one a swatch. Oh, this color looks so pretty. This kind of reminds me of like Papa Don't Peach, but not shimmery at all. I like that. I think they're both very pretty colors. I'm excited to try both of them. I think some of these might still be available on the Ulta website. I'm not 100% sure. And you never know if Colourpop is going to restock or not. They said they weren't, but they've said that in the past. So fingers crossed if you want this that you'll be able to find some of it. When I purchased the night that it went on. My mom and I were talking and I was like, oh my gosh, they're putting it out. And I ended up, because I'm a night owl, I talked about that in the Trend Mood box, that it makes some things difficult. But this one, it meant that as soon as it launched on the Ulta website, I was able to grab it. Final item here, and then I have the free gift, is the Snow Much Fun palette. And oh my gosh, it has the Angel Twins, and it has, or no, not the Angel Twins, the Little Twin Stars, that's what they're called, and then My Melody. I also got the My Melody collection from Wet n Wild. I don't even know what I'm saying anyway. And it says slay all day. The colors are very pretty, very much colors that I would wear in real life. So we're going to swatch all of these. This is an unusual palette because I'm looking at it and there are 3 shimmers, 3 mattes, and then 3 of these like matte with glitter in them. So, and they're very distinctive in their color scheme. I feel like this would make kind of a monochromatic look, or you could go crossways. I feel like there's a lot of pretty looks. That first highlight, or not highlight, that first shadow is so blinding. I really like that. I think the pink is very pretty. I like the purple too, but I was really impressed by these 2 colors. I am most excited to play with those. So this is one, not my, so I've been doing 4 for 4s. I have one that's coming up that is 4 for 4 palettes, and then this will probably be, I'll make this one my next one. I'm trying to do them every other week at this point, just so I have time to try everything. All right, the free gift, not as exciting or big as some of the other ones. This was like a overnight one, and they had 3 choices. Let's see if I can get it open. So this free gift, you could get one, I think they had 7 choices, and they were all mystery grab bags. So I think I chose gift number 3. We'll see if it was a good one. So first up is the Clarins Double Serum, and it is, oh wow, you have several of them, which is kind of cool. So you have like a 7-day supply of them. You break it in half and pour them out. There's like a break right there. So that's kind of cool. This is supposed to be potent plant extracts. It looks like it has turmeric in it. I was thinking that was ginger for a second, but thankfully it is labeled and it says turmeric, so I know it's turmeric. Then from Dermalogica, this is the Age Bright Clearing Serum. Ooh. Prevents breakouts and reducing visible signs of aging. That's exactly where I am in my life. I need that acne, but I also need anti-aging. All right, from It Cosmetics, this is Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep. Oh, that's a pillow cream. I'm excited about that. I do like It Cosmetics skincare for the most part. Perricone MD Growth Factor Firming and Lifting Serum. That is interesting. I have not heard of that before. From number 7, I have several of these. This is the Firming Booster Serum. Probably should, I'm working on serums as fast as I can. Then from Vichy Labs, this is the Lift Active Peptide C Reduced Wrinkles and Contoured Look, Firms and Brightens 48-hour Hydration. And let's see what it actually looks like inside. All right, so that's what it looks like. It's an interesting bottle. Anyway, this is my haul. I know it doesn't seem like as much, but I still think it was a pretty good value. The Hello Kitty set itself was originally $99 for everything. The extra blush was $12, and then this one was probably in the $60, $70 range because that's what usually a perfume is. And I got all of it for $15.90. So I'm pretty happy about that. I did get some free gifts. I'm sorry I don't have the blanket. I didn't even think about it as I was like trying to film this, or I would have tried to steal it away from my mom for a little bit so that I could film it. Anyway, I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Let me know how you are doing. Let me know if you have like what's going on in your life. Let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.